Would you believe me if I told you that the secret to glowing skin and sleek hair is already sitting in your bathroom cabinet? That's right, Vaseline isn't just for dry skin, it's your ultimate glow-up weapon. In today's video, I'm sharing 24 genius Vaseline hacks that will help you glow up and look amazing without breaking the bank. And trust me, some of these hacks will completely surprise you, especially the ones I saved for the end. Let's get started. Overnight moisturizer for face, hands, and feet. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your face before bed to lock in moisture, especially if you have dry or sensitive skin. For hands and feet, use a generous amount. Cover with gloves or socks, and let it work overnight for soft, hydrated skin by morning. Repair cracked heels. Massage Vaseline into your cracked heels and cover with socks. This creates a barrier that traps moisture and accelerates healing, making your feet sandal-ready in just a few days. Softening rough elbows. Dry, rough elbows are no match for Vaseline. Massage a small amount into the skin daily, and you'll notice softer, smoother elbows in no time. Lip balm for chapped lips. Dab Vaseline on your lips throughout the day to keep them hydrated, especially during colder months or in dry climates. It forms a protective barrier that locks in moisture. DIY lip scrub. Mix a teaspoon of sugar with a small dollop of Vaseline to create a gentle lip scrub. Gently rub this mixture on your lips in circular motions to exfoliate and remove dead skin cells. Cuticle care. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to your cuticles daily to keep them soft, hydrated, and healthy, making your manicures last longer. Sunburn relief. If you've overdone it in the sun, apply a thin layer of Vaseline to soothe and hydrate sunburned skin. It locks in moisture and helps reduce peeling. DIY lip gloss. Take any lipstick you love, scrape off a small amount, and mix it with Vaseline. The result? A customized, hydrating lip gloss in your favorite shade. Natural highlighter. For a dewy, glowing look, lightly tap Vaseline onto your cheekbones, brow bones, or even the tip of your nose. This gives you a radiant, natural highlight. Polish protector for nails. Before painting your nails, apply Vaseline around your cuticles and the edges of your nails. Any polish that goes outside the lines will easily wipe off, leaving you with a perfect manicure. Eye makeup remover. Vaseline is a gentle and effective way to remove stubborn mascara, eyeliner, or eyeshadow. Use a cotton pad with a little Vaseline to wipe away makeup without irritating your skin. Cream eyeshadow. Turn loose pigments or powdered eyeshadows into creamy, blendable shadows by mixing them with a small amount of Vaseline. This makes application smoother and adds a subtle shine. Longer-lasting perfume. Dab Vaseline onto your pulse points, wrists, neck, and behind your ears before spraying perfume. The Vaseline acts as a base, helping the scent linger for hours. Tame flyaways. Smooth a small amount of Vaseline onto your fingertips and gently run them over any stray hairs. It's perfect for sleek hairstyles or taming frizz on the go. Seal split ends. If your hair ends are looking dry or damaged, rub a small dab of Vaseline between your palms and apply it to the tips of your hair. It temporarily seals split ends and adds shine. Prevent hair dye stains. Before dyeing your hair, apply Vaseline along your hairline, ears, and neck. This creates a barrier that prevents the dye from staining your skin. Soothing dry scalp. Massage a small amount of Vaseline onto your scalp to hydrate and soothe irritation caused by dryness or dandruff. Use sparingly to avoid excess buildup. Hydration boost for hair masks. Mix Vaseline into your favorite hair mask to amplify its moisturizing effects. Apply the mask as usual and rinse thoroughly for softer, shinier hair. Ring removal. Struggling with a stuck ring? Rub Vaseline around the base of your finger and gently twist the ring. It'll slide off easily without discomfort. Prevent blisters. Apply Vaseline to areas of your feet prone to friction, like your heels or toes, before putting on tight or new shoes. It reduces friction and prevents painful blisters. Seal temporary tattoos. After applying a temporary tattoo, add a thin layer of Vaseline on top to protect it from water and make it last longer. Post-shave balm. Apply Vaseline to freshly shaved skin to calm razor burn and prevent dryness. It's especially useful for legs, underarms, or the bikini area. Remove makeup stains. If you accidentally get makeup on your clothes, dab a small amount of Vaseline onto the stain, rub gently, and then wash as usual. Lipstick smudge protector. Before applying lipstick, rub a thin layer of Vaseline on your teeth. This keeps the lipstick from transferring to your teeth. Perfect for bold colors. Wow, who knew one little jar of Vaseline could do so much? Let me know in the comments which hack was your favorite, or share your own Vaseline beauty secrets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.